These shocking revelations...
A veritable firestorm of anti-Mengsk sentiment.
The Emperor held a news conference earlier today.
How do you respond to these allegations of genocide? Of using aliens to...
I assure you, these slanderous attacks against the throne are baseless and irresponsible.
Sir, do you still stand by the sentiment that selfless devotion to the people is the basis of your rule?
Well, of course. I was called upon to serve the greater interest of humanity. Personal power was never my goal.
Then how would you characterize this statement?
I will not be stopped. Not by you or the Confederates or the Protoss or anyone. I will rule this sector or see it burnt to ashes around me.
I won't stand for this. You jackals think you can come in here and question me? This interview is over.
You know, I love seeing him squirm. But the Dominion's just gonna spin this like they do everything else.
Not this time. Mengsk used the media as a weapon for years, and now we've turned it against him. One broadcast. And won us a bigger victory than 100 battles.
I guess you're right. Well, it's what we started this revolution for in the first place. We've got a long way to go. Maybe we started something here.
Hearts and minds, man. Just like you always said.
You know, Matt, someday you're gonna wind up leading this bunch of misfits.
Oh, no. That's what I keep you around for, sir.
Kate Lockwell here, live from Core Hall. There's rioting in the streets. Citizens are setting fire to government buildings to express their shock and anger at the startling revelations from earlier today. Donnie, what's the situation where you are?
I had a brother on Tarsonis. I had a brother there.
Right. Thanks for that, Donnie. Okay. Emperor Mengsk broadcast a statement earlier today. Unfortunately, UNN satellites were on lockdown at the time. Let's replay a bit of that.
This evidence has been falsified. The enemies of the Dominion will go to any length to soil my good reputation. These ruthless, slanderous attacks cannot...
At that point, the Emperor was shouted down. He's since retreated to his palace and refuses to speak to anyone. In this reporter's opinion, Emperor Mengsk has been revealed as a...
You see? Told you I could build something better than that piece of crap, Odin.
I like that. That's the spirit, brother. Show 'em who's boss.
Got some work to do on the chassis still, but I got to thinking about upgrades and variants, you know? They ain't gonna be cheap, cowboy. Big honking thing like that never is. But they'll be worth it, you'll see.
That's what I like to hear. I'll take a look and see what's affordable. Those classified documents we found on Core Hall weren't anything special. Just referred to some old bioweapons lab orbiting Castanar.
I think this one might be different. The file suggests they were planning to terminate everyone who ever worked there.
I assume that doesn't mean firing them. But why would Mengsk want to kill a whole research staff?
I don't know. But it seems like something we should check out.
It does indeed. Well, so you're thinking about giving up this life of luxury and becoming a professional broadcaster?
Oh, regular folks just ain't ready for the raw sex appeal I'd unleash into the great little lives. I reckon my niche is right here with you, old buddy. Right to the end.
I'm glad you're part of all this, Tychus. You did real good today.
The classified documents we found on Core Hall imply the Dominion has a top-secret bioweapons lab on an orbital platform at Castanar. If the Dominion is cooking up a big surprise for us, I'd like to know about it.
So what's the scoop on this top-secret death lab?
This asteroid is registered as a beryllium storage warehouse. But that must be a cover for the Dominion's biolab.
Let's hope so. We'd look pretty silly coming all this way for a few tons of beryllium. Did those documents give us any clues as to what the Dominion's cooking up in there?
No, sir. But they did contain some of the facility's security codes, so we may be able to hack into their systems.
Sounds fun. Well, as long as we're here, we may as well take a look.
Sir, parts of the facility seem to be scan-shielded. Our signals are breaking up left and right. Be careful in there.
Hey, careful's my middle name.
I thought it was Eugene.
Shut it, Matt. All right, boys. Stay frosty. Break it down. Surprise, surprise. The door's sealed. Nothing a little breaching charge won't cure. Man, you can count on me. Time to man up. Raiders roll.
This facility is strictly off.
Not today, buddy. You can count on me.
Fry any rebel you see.
Looks like we got a reception committee waiting for us. Adjutant, activate those gun turrets and give them a surprise.
System accessed. Decrypting security overrides. System control established.
Well, we got half the guns. Should take some of them out at least. Raiders roll. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
Is it critical?
Talk to me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. You can count on...
Oh my god! Don't kill me!
Like a plan. These creatures, they ain't like any Zerg I've ever seen before. Matt, scan their biosignatures.
Hold on. The signal's weak in there. Wait. Sir, I'm reading both Zerg and Protoss DNA. Were those things assimilated somehow?
I don't know, but I'm real curious as to what they're doing inside a Dominion lab.
Check it out. We got that Raynor guy trapped in Lab 1.
Ha, nice. Release the Zerg.
Zerg. They're coming from a holding pen. Destroy it, boys. We gotta block them out. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sell me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
They got out. That ain't good.
You can count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. You can count on me.
Hold them back! Don't let them in the lab!
Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Looks like we got a few options on this terminal to soften them up before we go in. Count on me. Sounds like... like a plan. Looks like the same creature was mutated and cloned over and over. Matt, you got any additional info?
Stedman's been running some tests, sir. He says the specimen's DNA strands have been artificially spliced. Whoever's in charge of this mess did it deliberately.
Matt, we've got to blow this place sky high. No way we can just leave it standing.
Well, I'm picking up a strong power signature close to you. There must be a large fusion reactor somewhere in the facility.
Perfect. We'll find the reactor, destroy it, then we're out of here. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. We got trouble ahead. That cargo bay's big enough for heavy units. They were testing these weapons on the specimens. What the hell have they been up to here? Count on me. Oh yeah. Siege tanks. Vikings. Wait. Some kind of warbot. Looks like I can pick a weapon upgrade. Sounds like a plan.
That bot won't last long. Let's move.
Talk to me. Raiders. Sell me. Break it down. What's the plan? Time. Count on me. Well, he did his best for us. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Talk. What's up? Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. You read me, Matt? I could use some reinforcements down here. They got something big in the next room, and I don't think it's friendly.
You got it. Yes, sir. Your reinforcements are inbound.
By the number one, you gonna give me orders?
Break it down. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Time to man up. You can count on me.
This better be good.
What's up? Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Sell me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Talk to me. What's up? Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Sir, you're right on top of that power signature. The fusion reactor must be nearby.
You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Break it down. What's the plan? You can count on me.
Containment field weakening. Protoss-Zerg hybrid reviving.
Emergency! Emergency! Containment breach! We're all gonna die!
My lord. Am I seeing this right? Hybrid.
We should get out of here right now. Talk to me.
Time to man up.
All right, that's it. We're leaving.
Sir, you'll have to be careful. The signal's warping, but that critter's breaking the place apart. Who knows what you'll run into?
Just what I wanted to hear. Thanks for the heads up. Stay tight on me. Let's move, Raiders.
You can count on me. Raiders roll. You can count on me. No rift device. Must be based on alien tech. Things is really playing with fire here.
Come on, ladies. We need to keep moving. Blast through that rubble.
Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Sir, if I'm reading this right, that hybrid is virtually indestructible. Don't try and fight it. Just get out of there.
Hell, that debris won't hold it for long. Keep moving. Go, go!
The hybrid is on the move.
Another warbot. Adjutant, send it after the hybrid to buy us some time.
Count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to...
Let's move!
Count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Hell, that warbot didn't last long.
Time to man up.
This place is coming apart fast.
Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up.
We could use some help here.
Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. You can count.
Sir, I lost the hybrid signal. It seemed to just disappear.
Define disappear.
You can count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Raiders roll.
Whoa! What the hell?
You can count on me. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
Evac, get to the transport.
Transport? I think we just found our way out of here.
Time to man up. Sounds like a plan.
time we were leaving. Lift off. Matt, can you read me? I'm inbound in some big transport the Dominion was nice enough to supply. Don't shoot us down.